In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and start exploring the world of TradingView by signing up for an account and getting connected with OANDA. If you're just dipping your toes into trading or looking to switch platforms, TradingView offers many tools and features that make it an attractive choice. So let's jump right in and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is sign up for a TradingView account. Head over to tradingview.com in your web browser. Once there, locate the sign up button, which you should find in the upper right corner of the homepage. Clicking on that will bring you to the registration page where you'll be prompted to create your account. TradingView offers various sign-up options. You can use your email, connect with Google, Facebook, or even Apple ID for quicker access. Choose the method that suits you best, fill in the necessary details if you're using email, and create a secure password to protect your account. Remember, your password should be strong, incorporating numbers, symbols, and a mix of upper and lowercase letters. Once you've set up your account, you'll receive a confirmation email if you've chosen the email registration route. Make sure to check your inbox or your spam folder in case it doesn't appear right away. Click on the confirmation link and you're officially ready to log in. With your new TradingView account credentials in hand, return to the main website and click on the login button, again in the right-hand corner. Enter your credentials and you'll find yourself on the TradingView dashboard. This dashboard is your launchpad to a world of charts, data, and trading insights. Now let's prepare to trade. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a section labeled Trade. Click on it and it will take you to a detailed chart view, which is one of the core features of TradingView. This area is where you can view market data, analyze price movements, and make informed trading decisions. Upon selecting Trade, you'll likely see a pop-up window featuring OANDA. OANDA is a well-known brokerage service, and TradingView seamlessly integrates with it to offer trading services right from the platform, allowing you to track real-time data and execute trades without missing a beat. You can use this integration if you're an OANDA user or explore other broker options if you have different preferences. And that's it for now. You've just signed up for TradingView, logged in, and taken your first steps toward exploring dynamic and robust charts and trading actions with OANDA. Whether you're just beginning or looking to enhance your trading capabilities, this setup provides a solid foundation to help you navigate through trading opportunities. Remember to explore the features at your own pace, and happy trading.